Hey guys, hello everyone, and welcome to the next part of GATE Aptitude series. Now, we have been taking questions from previous years of GATE exams, and we are taking different subjects because we are looking for general aptitude, and the general aptitude part is in all the subjects. So, in next 25 to 30 minutes, I'll try to explain you all the 10 questions which has been asked in a GATE 2023 exam of statistics. Okay, the same paper is for civil engineering as well and few more subjects, but yeah, this is the next paper which we are going to do. If you want more videos of this kind, I have linked the playlist over here in the I button. You can click and watch the other videos as well. I hope that this is going to give you a good preparation for your aptitude part. All right, so let's start with the first question here. It says that I have not yet decided what I will do this evening. I dash visit a friend. Now, this is a question from English and they are asking about a verb over here. So if you read this, you can easily tell the answer. It says that I have not decided what I am going to do this evening. So I dash visit a friend. So what, like he is not sure what he's going to do. So now might, M-I-T-E, might does not have any such meaning like which is going to fit over here. With I, you will never get a would over here. Um, would is like something where you are more sure about something. Okay. Might is the word where you are not that much sure about it. So that's why this might, M-I-G-H-T, should be over here. So I might visit a friend. Okay. That should be the correct answer over here. So yeah, this should be the correct answer. Did not, does not works over here. Okay, that is not suiting the sentence. All right, let's take the next question. It says eject is related to insert, then advance is related to what? Okay, now if you understand, eject is like taking out something, insert means putting in something. So these two words are opposite in meaning, right? So you need to find out something which is opposite of advance. Now advent means moving forward. Okay, this means moving forward, or it means like arrival of something. Okay, arrival of something. That means advance is also like going ahead, moving forward. So these two are actually kind of similar meanings. Progress, you know, it's like progress means like when something is increased or you progress in something, right? That is also quite similar to advance. Retreat is like something when you take back. Okay, taking back something. Now this taking back is actually opposite of advance. Loan is also something which you take in, like which when you take the money from someone in advance, that is called as loan. So all the other words does not fit the meaning. Only retreat is the one which is going to be at opposite of advance. Okay, so that's why retreat is the correct option. Okay, let's take the next question here. It says in the given figure PQRSTV is a regular hexagon, which you can see over here, with each side of length 5 centimeter. So this each side is of length 5 centimeter each. Okay, 5 centimeter each. A circle is drawn with the center V as it passes through P and T. What is the area in centimeter square of the shaded region? They are asking about this shaded region. Okay, now if you see the side is of 5 centimeter, so this is also going to be 5 centimeter. Of course, this is also 5 centimeter because of the hexagon. So you can say that the radius of this circle is 5 centimeter, right? Now, if the radius is 5 centimeter and you have to find out the area over here, which is a area of sector. Okay, so if there is a circle, let's say, and you want to find out the area of certain region, this is called as the anything, like it can be like quadrant also, or it can be like a small or bigger, any like it can be of any type. Okay, this is called as a sector. Okay, what it is, this is sector. And area of sector has a formula. It is theta by 360 pi r square. Now where theta is this angle, okay, the angle made over here. Now if you look upon this, you have to find out this angle first of all, and if you know this, you can easily tell that. Now you should know the angle made by a hexagon. So let me just tell you quickly what are the angles made by some of the specific figures. So if you have an equilateral triangle, okay, where all the sides are same, then each angle is of 60 degree. If you have a square where all the sides are equal to each other, then the angle is 90 degree. If you have a pentagon which is having 5 sides, for pentagon this angle is 108 degrees. Okay, 108 degrees. Okay, remember that every side should be equal to each other. Okay, and then if you have a hexagon, which we have in our case here, each angle is of 120 degree. Okay, should know about these things. These are very basics and you should know about them. So that means theta value is 120 degree. We have got it. We will just put it over here to get the answer. It is pretty simple now. So 120 upon 360, and then I have pi. The radius is 5 centimeters, so pi r square. This is going to get cancelled out 3 times. So we are supposed to get 25 pi by 3, which is option number A. Okay, so it is very simple. All you needed was this angle and this formula, area of sector. You should know this formula. Okay, all right, let's take the next question now. Okay, so the next question says that a duck named Donald Duck says all ducks always lie. Now, based only on the information above, which is this, that a duck named Donald Duck says this, which one of the following statement can be logically inferred with certainty? First says that Donald Duck always lie. Second says that Donald Duck always tells the truth. Third says that Donald Duck's statement is true. And fourth says that Donald Duck's statement is false. Now we have to be very careful when we have certain like this type of questions. Okay. Okay. So to answer this question, first of all, understand what exactly is happening. So there is a duck. Okay. Whose name is Donald Duck. Okay. Now this Donald Duck is telling us what? This Donald Duck is telling that all ducks always lies. Always lie. Now let's consider that Donald Duck, let's consider that this statement is correct. Okay, let's start with this option B. If Donald Duck always tells the truth, that means whatever Donald Duck has said is correct, is truth. So according to that, Donald Duck is telling us that all ducks always lie, and if this is true, that means every duck, including Donald Duck, should also lie. But we have just said that Donald Duck is telling the truth, right? We have considered that Donald Duck tells the truth. But if we consider this thing, then according to what Donald Duck has said, it himself becomes incorrect. Okay, that means this Donald Duck is himself telling a lie, which is not the correct, which creates a paradox kind of thing. Means paradox is what? When you try to state something and that thing which you have stated like it does not support what you have considered initially, that is called paradox. Okay, so that means this is not correct. Donald Duck cannot tell the truth over here always. Okay, again same goes here also, that Donald Duck's statement is true, that also isn't correct. Why? Because if Donald Duck's statement is true, which says that all ducks always lie, that means Donald Duck also has to lie, but he has said that all the ducks always lie, right? So he also has to lie, but it says that its statement is true, so that also is not going to happen. Now let's consider the first statement, which says that Donald Duck always lies. Okay, so if Donald Duck always lies, and if this state, if he is lying, so if he is lying, that means all ducks always lie is also a lie. Okay, this is also a lie. Now if this is a lie, if we are considering this as lie, and that means what is the correct thing? If the lie is that all the ducks always lie, okay, if this is the lie, that all the ducks always lie, all the ducks speaks lie always, they don't say correct thing, then whatever Donald Duck has said becomes correct. Okay, it becomes true. So what we have considered initially, that Donald Duck always lies, again is opposite of what we are getting. Okay, see, it's really confusing. I know initially it goes like that, but you have to understand it in this way. You have to first of all consider a statement. You have to first of all consider something. Let's say, let us assume that Donald Duck, I'm just writing DD. Okay, so let us assume that Donald Duck always lie. Okay, if he always lie, that means that all duck always lie is a lie, right? This statement is also a lie. All duck always lie is a lie. And who has said this? Donald Duck has said this, right? That Donald Duck, Donald Duck always lie. So this statement itself becomes a truth, right? See, understand this, that we have assumed that Donald Duck always lie. Okay, we have assumed this thing, that it always lies. And this statement that all duck always lie is a lie, right? But if all the ducks always lie is a lie, that means right now Donald Duck is telling the truth, and that makes this whole thing again a paradox. Okay, so you have assumed that he is lying, but eventually he is telling the truth. So that makes statement A also incorrect. Okay, so this goes something like this. You have to always go in a way that you have to consider a statement, and then considering that statement you have to see that whether whatever is the statement given, is it proving correct in all the conditions or not. That's why it is said that it can be logically inferred with certainty. So what could be the correct answer? The only thing which can be correct over here is statement number D, where it says the Donald Duck's statement is false. So this statement is false, that all ducks always lie. Some of the duck might be telling truth, and that duck could be Donald Duck himself. Okay, so that's why statement D is correct. So think about this question. Okay, just try to think about it once again, and I hope you will understand what this question exactly wants to say. These are kind of, mind twisting kind of questions. It was asked for 1 marks although. Okay, let's see the next question. It says that a line of symmetry is defined as the line that divides the figure into two parts in a way such that each part is a mirror image of the other part about that line. In the figure below consists of 20 square arranged as shown over here. In addition to the given black square, up to 5 more may be colored black. Okay, 5 more can be colored black. Which one among the following options depicts the minimum number of blocks that may be colored black to achieve two lines of symmetry? Now understand that this particular question is very similar to what we have done in the previous video. Over there, the two lines of symmetry were actually given to you. One line of symmetry was given to us like this. Okay, although here two lines of symmetries are not mentioned, but you have to assume it. Okay, so one line of symmetry like this, and the other line of symmetry would be this. See, you cannot draw a line of symmetry like this. What will be the line of symmetry here? The other line of symmetry. The other line of symmetry will be this. So these are your two lines of symmetry in this case. But like what I'm trying to tell you is that similar types of questions are asked in different subjects also. Okay, so although the previous question which we did was from the chemical engineering, but this question is from statistics and civil engineering, but the way of asking is quite similar. Okay, let's see how to color this. See, these are already mirror images, right? This is mirror image of this. 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 The only figure which you have to shade in order to become a mirror image of each other is, okay, so it says that which among the following options depicts the minimum number of box that must be colored black to achieve two of the lines of symmetry. Okay, so which box you have to color minimum number of box? So I you have to color, okay, in order to achieve that. And as soon as you do this, so this line of symmetry, the one which is vertical line of symmetry, is now symmetrical, but the horizontal line of symmetry is not symmetrical yet. See, these two are fine, these two are fine, we don't have anything symmetrical to this, so we have to shade this also, and we have to shade this also. So I, C and D, that means option number B is the correct option. In order to achieve two lines of symmetry, this is what you have to do. Understood? So you can also try doing this question. You can download the question paper and try to do it. Okay, let's take the next question. It says, now the questions are of 2 marks. Okay, it says that based only on the truth of the statement is that some humans are intelligent. Which one of the following options can be logically inferred with certainty? First statement says that no human is intelligent. Second says all humans are intelligent. Third says some non-humans are intelligent, and it says some intelligent beings are human. Okay, so now we have to infer from it. Okay, so what it says, some humans are intelligent. So to do these questions, it's very simple, and you have to apply a logic of Venn diagram. Okay, so let's say this is the circle for intelligent people. Okay, intelligent people. And if this is for this is for humans. Okay, this is for humans. So now this statement is correct that some humans are intelligent. Which are those? Those who fall in this. Okay, so some humans are intelligent. Now, are other non-human also species which are going to fall over here? Of course, they can also fall, but there is nothing said about non-human over here. Okay, so the first question says that first statement says that no human is intelligent. That's not going to be correct. Okay, because some humans are intelligent. Of course, some humans are falling with the intelligence. The first one you can say that it's logically incorrect. Second says, are all humans intelligent? No, all are not, because some are out of the intelligence box, so some are not intelligent as well. Third says that some non-humans are intelligent. See, there is nothing said about non-humans over here. So we should not assume things of our own. So let's leave this as of now. Fourth says that some intelligent beings are human. Yes, that is correct. Some intelligent beings are human, which fall in this particular category. And yes, D option is the correct option. So yes, D is the correct answer for this question. Okay, fine. Let's take the next question now. This is from your graph related question. It says, which of the following options can be inferred about the mean, median and mode of the given probability distribution? What is probability distribution? They have said that is probability mass function px as the variable of x. Okay, so I'll just zoom out a little bit so that you can see the whole question now, right? Yeah, so this is the graph. First option says that mean is equals to median is equals to mode. Second says that mean is equals to median is equals to mode. Third says that mean and median are not equal, mode is equal to that. And fourth says that mean is equals to not equal to mode, but it is equals to median. You have to understand what is mean, what is median, and what is mode first of all. Okay, so what does mean means? Okay, so mean means the center of something. Okay, so if you have, let's say, a graph like this, so mean will be the center of this, just the center. So this whole thing is actually you can consider it as a graph like this. Okay, so this is kind of a graph which goes like this. Okay, like this. So where is the center of this? This is the center of this. Okay, that is mean. So mean is here. This is your mean. Okay, this is your mean. What is median? Median goes like if you have data arranged in the, first of all, data has to be arranged in the ascending order, which is already arranged. You have to see the central one. So if you have, let's say, 5 or let's say if you have 10 values, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, if you have, so thus you have to just cross out the values from top and bottom like this. Okay, in order to find median, I'm telling. Okay, so whatever is left out in the center, that is your median. Okay, that is median. So here also we are going to do that. So we will cross out the things from both the ends to get our median. Okay, so but the data has to be arranged in ascending order, which is already arranged. That's why I'm not doing anything. Otherwise, if this would have been some data, so we would have arranged that first and then would have done that. Okay, fine. So I'm crossing it up. We will end up reaching to this point. So you will get the same point for median also. So that means mean and median are equal to each other. Now what is mode? Mode means something whose frequency is higher. Okay, something or data which has data that has occurred for maximum time. Okay, maximum time means something which has been repeated maximum number of times. So which value has been repeated maximum number of times? So minus 13 has been repeated because its graph is high, its probability function is high, and 13 is repeated. Okay, so these two are your mode. So mode is different. Okay, this and this are your mode. Okay, these are your mode. So of course mean and median are equal, but mode is different. That's why option A should be your correct option. Okay, all right, let's take the next question. Okay, the next question says that the James Webb Telescope recently launched in space is giving humankind unprecedented access to the depth of time by imaging very old stars formed almost 13 billion years ago. Astrophysicists and cosmologists believe that this odyssey in space may even shed light on the existence of dark matter. Dark matter is supposed to interact only via the gravitational interaction and not through the electromagnetic, the weak, or the strong interaction. This may justify the epithet dark in dark matter. This is based upon some paragraph. Which one of the following statement is false? You have to look upon false. First statement says that no other telescope has captured images of stars older than those captured by the James Webb. Second says people other than astrophysicists and cosmologists may also believe in the existence of dark matter. Third says that the James Webb telescope could be of use in the research on dark matter. And fourth says that if dark matter was known to interact via strong interaction, then the epithet dark would be justified. Okay. Now you have to look for the false statement. Okay, something which is false. So see, the fourth statement looks false. Why? Because it says that if the dark matter was known to interact via strong interaction, then the epithet dark would be justified. But here it says that dark matter is supposed to interact only via gravitational interaction and not through electromagnetic, weak, or strong interaction. This may justify the epithet. So since it interacts only via gravitational interaction, that's why it is justified as dark matter. If it would be by strong interaction, we would not have said that. So D statement is totally incorrect, and that you can directly tell from the statement given or from the value given. Okay, let's see the next question. It says that let a is equals to 30 factorial, b is equals to 50 factorial, c is equals to 100 factorial. Consider the following numbers: log AC, log base AC, log base CA, log base BA, and log base AB. Which one of the following inequalities is correct? Okay, so let's try to answer this question. So for this, we will be using base changing formula. You can see that two of them have base A, whereas other two does not have base A. Okay, bases are C and B. So we can change their bases. Okay, so understand that log base CA can be written as, it will be equal to 1 upon log base AC. Okay, whenever we change these numbers, it goes in 1 upon. Similarly, log base BA will be written as 1 upon log base AB. Okay, now we have all the values. Now you can put everything and you can actually solve it. So log base AC means it becomes log base 30 factorial and C is 100. Okay, so I'm not writing factorial, just write it down 30 and 100. This is what? Log 30 50. Okay, so I'll write down now. So basically what I have here is okay, and what is the value of log CA? This is going to become 1 upon log A is 30 and 100, and this is going to become 1 upon log 30 and 50. Now you know that log base 30, now everything is in log base 30. Okay, I'll just write down once again so that I can reduce your confusion. Okay, so log base AC is actually equal to log base 30 100. Log base CA is actually equal to 1 upon log base 30 100. Okay, I've just directly written its value. Then log base BA is equals to 1 upon log 30 50, and then you have log base AB. This is going to be log base 30 50. So now what do we get? We have actually everything now in the same base. Now it is easy to compare. So you know that when something goes in 1 upon, its values decrease, right? So log base 30 100 is a bigger number, right? You can even ignore log base 30 now. It is going to become log 100. This is going to become 1 upon log 100 because the bases are same. So now you can ignore the base. Okay, this becomes 1 upon log 50, right? And this becomes log 50. You know how to now arrange, right? So you know that log 100 is going to be the biggest one, then comes your log 50. Okay, now among these two, the bigger the number in the denominator, smaller it is going to become. You know that 1 upon 4 is smaller than 1 upon 2, right? It is 0.5, it is 0.25. In the denominator, if the number is bigger, its value is going to become smaller. So that's why 1 upon log 50 and then comes 1 upon log 100. Now if I write down their values, this log 100 came from log base AC, and log 50 came from, log 50 came from log base AB. This actually came from 1 upon log 50, it came from log base BA, and 1 upon log 100 came from log base CA. So log base CA is smallest, then comes your log, so log base CA is smallest, then the bigger one is log base BA, then that, and then log, so this is incorrect. So log base CA is smallest, then log base BA, then log base AB, and then log base AC. So statement A, or sorry, option A is the correct one, okay, which matches this. You know, I have written in the reverse order. You can reverse this up and you will get option A. I hope this is clear, okay. So it is very important to change the base and then do. What formula I have used, I'll just write it down here. So if I have log base xy, I will write down 1 upon log base yx. Okay, that's what I have used. Understood? Okay, let's take the last question. It says that a square of side length 4 cm is given. The boundary of the shaded region is defined by one semicircle on the top and two circular arcs in the bottom, each of radius 2 cm as shown. The area of shaded region is how much? Okay, so I'll just zoom it up. So fine, these are your options now. Okay, so we know that if this is 4 cm, this is nothing but a semicircle. Okay, or you can say like this. Okay, so basically whenever you have something like this, it's good to, you know, like fraction it up. So now you have a figure like this, first of all, okay, where you have a semicircle going like this, and this is the area which you have to calculate. How you are going to do that? This has 4 centimeter, this is just 2 centimeter. Okay, so the area of shaded region here is going to be how much? Area of rectangle, that is 4 into 2, length into width, minus area of semicircle. Semicircle area is pi by 2 r square. The radius for this is going to be 2 centimeter. You know that because this will be 2 centimeter from here to here. So into 2 square. So this becomes 8 minus pi by 2 into 4. So this becomes 8 minus 2 pi. Okay, that's the area of this part. Now I have to find out for this. So I am just going to take this much part first of all. So this much part is seems like a square because this side is 2 centimeter. This is also 2 centimeter. So this will be 2 centimeter apart, right? So and we have a quadrant, sorry, segment like this, right? And we need this area. So I already told you that this is nothing but a sector whose angle is 90 degree here. So we are going to use the area of this. Area will be theta upon 360 pi r square. Theta will be 90 upon 360 and pi radius is 2 square. So that is going to become 4 times, and you will get pi by 4 into 4. So this is going to become pi. So area from this part comes out pi, since this part is written twice, 2 times. So yeah, this is pi, this is also pi, and the shaded region over here is 8 minus 2 pi, this whole thing. Okay, from this whole region, I got 8 minus 2 pi. So the total area of shaded region, that is going to be 8 minus 2 pi and minus, plus, we have to add this shaded region also, right? Plus pi plus pi. Why plus pi plus pi? This part is pi and this part is also pi. So this pi is going to cancel out this. You will just end up getting 8, which is option number A. Okay, very simple geometry. Just you have to be careful when you solve such questions. All right. So these were the 10 questions from this particular GATE exam. I hope you guys understood everything and I hope you like the video. Do let me know in the comment section below. Please like this video if you liked it. And that's all from my side. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.